You might have the perfect resume, great answers, but still not getting the job. Why? Because tiny mistakes in how you speak or behave or even follow up can cost you the offer. So in this video, we are going to cover up the most common interview mistakes that even smart and qualified candidates make. And most importantly, how you can avoid them. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So now let's focus on what not to do in an interview. Even a great answer can fall flat if it is delivered poorly. If you have not seen my previous two videos of this series, then go and watch them first and then come back again. First, being unprepared. So here you have randomly applied for the job where you're not even aware about the company or the job role or the products or services that company is offering. So make sure before applying for any job, always research about the company, their products or services, their recent news. So this also increases the chances of you getting hired by aligning your skills with the job role. Second, speaking too fast or too slow. Speaking too fast shows your nervousness, whereas speaking too slow can sound unengaged. So always use a moderate pace or moderate speed, just the way I am doing to make you understand with a moderate pace. You can also use a timer or your friend to practice. Third, giving long and unstructured answers. Interviewer doesn't really want to know what your likes and dislikes are. Instead, they just want to know whether you are a good fit for the company or not. So always try to keep it crisp and short. You can use STAR method to structure your responses. Let me know if you want to know in detail what STAR method is in comment section. Fourth, negative talk about previous employer. This is the most important thing that most of the people do. So do not behave like unprofessional. Even if you had issues with your previous company, show them constructively. For example, I was looking for a growth oriented role which my previous company could not offer at that time. Fifth, not asking questions. So whenever the interviewer is asked, "Do you have any questions for me?" Always say yes. Talk about team structure, talk about success measures or growth opportunities. For example, what does success look like in this role in the first 90 days? 6. Ignoring follow ups. Always send a thank you email after the interview, short, polite, and appreciated. Avoiding these mistakes can make a big difference. Combine them with thoughtful answers, positive body language, and smart follow ups for a winning interview experience. That's it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your biggest interview worry below. See you in the next video.